Good morning, students. Welcome back in your English class. Students, from today we will start our PA2 syllabus. So, take out our English Junction textbook and its chapter number 7. Kira the Caterpillar. Students, in this chapter there is a caterpillar and its name is Kira. Today we will know the journey of a caterpillar, how it turns into a butterfly. Look student, it is a life cycle of a butterfly. In this chart, we will know how a caterpillar turns into a butterfly. So look at in this chart. Look, it is a butterfly. First of all, butterfly begins its life as a tiny egg on the leaf of a plant. मीन्स सबसे पहले बटरफ्लाई एग्स देती है लीफ पर यानी पत्ती पे जीवन को शुरू करने के लिए. ओके, देन आफ्टर क्या होता है? आफ्टर 5 or 6 days द एग हैट्स एंड द कैटरपिलर इज बॉर्न. यानी 5 to 6 days के बाद ये जो एग्स हैं ये टूटते हैं और इसमें से कौन निकलता है? इसमें से कैटरपिलर का जन्म होता है. स्टूडेंट्स, क्या आपको पता है जब कैटरपिलर इन एग्स से बाहर निकलता है तो इन एग्स से निकलने के बाद सबसे पहले कैटरपिलर ये जो इसका सेल है ना जिसके अंदर से वो बाहर निकलता है वो सबसे पहले इसे ही खा डालता है. फिर क्या होता है? देन आफ्टर द कैटरपिलर क्या करता है? कैटरपिलर फिर धीरे धीरे लीव्स को खाते जाता है ना. दिन पर दिन वो लीव्स को खाता है. द कैटरपिलर ईट्स लीव्स एंड ग्रोज बिगर एंड बिगर एवरी डे. यानी हर रोज वो बड़ा और बड़ा होता जाता है और जैसे जैसे वो बड़ा होता जाता है वो अपने ऊपर जो स्किन है ना उसको निकालता जाता है. और फिर क्या होता है? जब वो खूब सारी लीव्स को खा लेता है, जब वो बहुत सारी लीव्स को खा लेता है तो कुछ हफ्तों के बाद वो क्या करता है? वो अपने चारों ओर एक कोकून बनाता है ना. कोकून क्या होता है? जब वो बहुत सारे लीव्स खा लेता है और कुछ दिन बाद जब वो लीव्स को खाना बंद कर देता है उसे नींद महसूस होने लगती है और उसके बाद क्या करता है? वो अपने मुंह से थ्रेड लाइक ऑब्जेक्ट निकालता है जिसको वो अपने चारों ओर बुन लेता है और बुनने के बाद वो क्या बन जाता है? एक कोकून बन जाता है और वो उसके अंदर सोने चला जाता है. देन आफ्टर पता है क्या होता है? देन आफ्टर 15 days a beautiful butterfly come out from this cocoon. यानी ये जो कोकून है 15 दिन के बाद अपने आप फटने लगता है और इसमें से पता क्या निकलता है? इसमें से खूबसूरत बटरफ्लाई निकल आती है. मीन्स सबसे पहले बटरफ्लाई एग्स देती है. कुछ दिनों के बाद इन एग्स से क्या निकलता है? कैटरपिलर निकलता है. कैटरपिलर सबसे पहले किसे खाता है? सबसे पहले वो अपने उन जो शेल को खाता है जिससे वो निकला है. उसके बाद वो धीरे धीरे हर रोज लीव्स को खाता जाता है और वो बढ़ता जाता है. जब वो बढ़ता जाता है तो क्या होता है? वो अपने जो उसके ऊपर जो एक सेल कवच होता है, एक झिल्ली सी होती है, उसे धीरे धीरे निकालता जाता है क्योंकि जब वो बड़ा होता जाता है तो वो परत जो उसके ऊपर होती है वो छोटी होती जाती है. वो धीरे 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 उसे निकालता जाता है और बड़ा होता जाता है। फिर क्या होता है, जब वो थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाता है, उसकी बढ़त रुक जाती है ना। फिर क्या करता है, उसके मुंह से एक थ्रेड लाइक वाइट कलर का धागा निकलता है, जिसको वो अपने चारों ओर बुन लेता है। और क्या होता है, वो कोकून में चेंज हो जाता है, वो उसके अंदर बंद हो जाता है। फिर क्या होता है, उसमें से 15 डेज के आफ्टर वो उसमें से बाहर निकलता है। कौन निकलता है, क्या अभी भी कैटरपिलर निकलता है? नहीं, अब उसमें से क्या निकलता है, उसमें से ब्यूटीफुल बटरफ्लाई निकलती है। ओके, अब हर बार यही बटरफ्लाई का लाइफ साइकिल चलता रहता है। यानी पहले तितली होती है, तितली एग देती है, एग से कुछ दिनों बाद कैटरपिलर निकलता है। कैटरपिलर जब वो बड़ा हो जाता है तो वो खाना बंद कर देता है और अपने चारों ओर कोकून को बुन लेता है, और उसके अंदर वो 15 डेज के लिए सोने चला जाता है। आफ्टर 15 डेज ये जो कोकून है वो फटने लगता है और उसमें से धीरे धीरे बटरफ्लाई निकल आती है। ओके, इट मीन्स अभी आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि कैटरपिलर बटरफ्लाई में कैसे चेंज होता है। नाउ वी विल नो द स्टोरी that is in our chapter number 7, Kira the caterpillar. Okay, so take out your textbook. Now student, look at our chapter Kira the caterpillar. First of all, look at warm up. Join the dots and trace the lines. What do you see? Then color the picture. When I join these dots from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8, 9, 10, 11 to 12. I got a beautiful butterfly. So please, you also join these dots like me. Okay, now after joining these dots, we got a beautiful butterfly. So you will color this butterfly and these flowers also. Okay, now student, first of all we will circle our nouns. So right here N-O-U-N, noun. We will circle the noun. So first of all I will read this paragraph in page number 5858. Kira was a caterpillar. Kira is a name, so it is a noun. We will circle it. And caterpillar is also a noun. We will circle it like this. She had a long, soft body. Body, it is also a noun, so we will circle it. She had many tiny feet. Feet is also a noun, so we will circle it. She sat on the leaves all day and ate them slowly. No one could see Kira when she sat on a leaf. Leaf is also a noun, so we will circle it. She was the same color as the leaves. Kira's best friend was Kunal. Student, friend is also a noun, so we will circle it. And Kunal is a name of her friend, so we will circle it. He was a round, dark brown and shiny beetle. Beetle is also a noun, so we will circle it. Now student, we will know the Hindi meaning of this paragraph. Kira was a caterpillar. Kira एक caterpillar थी. Look, this is the picture of a caterpillar and its name was Kira. He had a long, soft body. Look at in this picture. She had a long and soft body. She had many tiny feet. Look, under its body, it had many tiny feet. She sat on the leaves all day. वो सारा दिन लीव्स यानी पत्तियों पर बैठी रहती थी and ate them slowly, और उन्हें धीरे धीरे खाती थी. No one could see Kira when she sat on a leaf. No one यानी कोई भी उसे नहीं देख पाता when she sat on a leaf, जब वो लीफ पे बैठती थी. Why no one could see Kira? Because she was the same color as the leaves. क्योंकि उसका और लीफ का कलर सेम था. Look, in this picture, Kira has green color and leaf also has green color. So no one could see Kira when she sat on a leaf. Kira's best friend was Kunal. Look, he is Kira's best friend and his name was Kunal. यानी किरा का बेस्ट अभिन्न मित्र, पक्का वाला मित्र कुणाल था. अच्छा, टेल मी, हु इज योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड? टेल मी व्हेन यू मीट विद मी, टेल मी हु इज योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड. ओके, ही वॉज अ राउंड डार्क ब्राउन एंड शाइनी beetle. Look, he was round in shape and it has brown color and shiny beetle यानी बहुत चमकीला बीटल था. Beetle is kind of an insect whose outer wings are also a hard cover for its body. बीटल कौन होता है? एक इंसेक्ट होता है जिसके जो बाहरी विंग्स यानी पंख होते हैं वो भी हार्ड कवर होते हैं, बहुत ही सख्त कवर होते हैं इसके बॉडी में. ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट, we will look our page number 5959. Kunal had wings so he could fly. कुणाल के विंग्स थे, पंख थे. so he could fly, इसलिए वो उड़ सकता था. and see many places, और चूंकि वो उड़ सकता था इसलिए उसने बहुत सारी जगह देखी. वो उड़ के जाता था तो उन जगहों को भी देखता था जहाँ वो जाता था. He always had interesting stories. उसके पास हमेशा बहुत रोचक कहानियाँ होती थी. About all the things he saw, उन चीजों के बारे में जिनको वो देखता था. Kira loved Kunal's stories. किरा को कुणाल की स्टोरीज यानी कहानियाँ बहुत पसंद थी. So student, first of all we will circle our noun. Wings यानी पंख, okay, and stories is also a noun, so we will circle it. Okay, now but who thought? She, and it is used for Kira. Kira ने सोचा how wonderful to be able to fly, यानी उड़ सकना कितना आश्चर्यजनक होता है. I wish I could fly like Kunal. उसकी भी इच्छा थी कि वो काश कुणाल के जैसे उड़ सकती. One day Kira felt very hungry. Hungry means भूख लगना. एक दिन किरा को बहुत ज्यादा भूख लगी. She ate all the leaves on one branch. एक ब्रांच यानी जिस शाखा पर वो बैठी थी उसने उस सारी शाखा के डाल के सारी लीव्स यानी सारी पत्तियां खा डाली. She went on eating the leaves till she was quite full. Quite full means जब तक वो पूरी तरह से, जब तक उसका पेट पूरी तरीके से नहीं भर गया तब तक वो उन पत्तियों को खाती रही. Then she felt very sleepy and after eating all leaves of one branch she felt very sleepy. उसे बहुत नींद आने लगी. Oh, it would be so nice to have something soft to sleep in said Kira. किरा ने अपने आप से कहा, ओह कितना अच्छा होगा कि अगर मेरे सोने के लिए कुछ सॉफ्ट सॉफ्ट सा, बहुत मुलायम सा मिल जाए. अच्छा मुझे बताइए, वेयर डू यू स्लीप? यू स्लीप ऑन योर बेड, ऑन अ soft mattress or soft pillow. Like this, Kira wanted on this day to want a soft something to sleep in. Now student, we will circle on our nouns. One day Kira felt very hungry. She ate all the leaves on one branch. Branch is a noun, so we will circle it like this. Now these are nouns from our page number 58 and 59. Now student, we will do our work in worksheet. So take out your PA2 worksheet. Students, in our PA2 worksheet, look at our scene passage 1. Kira was a caterpillar. She had a long soft body. She had many tiny feet. There is no need this N. She sat on the leaves all day and ate them slowly. Now students, look at question number A. Take the correct option. Question number 1 is, Dash was a caterpillar. So who was a caterpillar? Kira, Hira or Meera? So correct answer is Kira. So we will take here. Okay. Now student, look at question number 2. Kira sat on the desk. And the options are tree, leaves or pillar. Where did Kira sit? Kira sat on the leaves. So we will take here. Okay. Now look at question number 3. What did Kira eat? And the options are strawberry, leaves or vegetables. Now tell me, what did Kira eat? Yes, Kira eat leaves. So we will take here. Now student, look at question number 4. Kira had dash body. Which type of body Kira had? Options are long and soft, small and hard, या फिर beautiful. So correct answer is long and soft. We will take here. Okay. Now student, look at our question number 5. Find the opposite of, and the opposite of big and hard is, according to our scene passage 1, the opposite of big is tiny, T-I-N-Y, tiny, and the opposite of hard is soft, S-O-F-T, soft. Okay. Now student, look at question number 6. Find the past tense of these. And the word is eat and have. And students, according to our scene passage 1, the past form of eat is ate and have is had. Okay. So we will write this answer here in place of eat, ate, have, had. Okay. Now look at question number 7. Find the adjectives. So now student, we will find our adjectives in this scene passage. Kira was a caterpillar. She had a long soft body. Which type of body she had? Long and soft. So it is Adjective. Long and soft. She had many tiny feet. Which type of feet? Tiny feet. Means tiny is adjective. Okay? Now we will write these adjectives here in place of this. So we will write our first adjective long, and the other one is soft, S-O-F-T, soft. Okay student, now take out our page. Now take out our scene passage 2. Student, scene passage 2. Kunal had wings, so he could fly and see many places. He always had interesting stories. To tell about the things he saw. Kira loved Kunal's stories. Now, with the help of the scene passage 2, we will give the answers of all questions. Now, look at question number A. Tick the correct option. And its question number 1 is Dash had wings. Who had wings? Kira, Kunal or Kiran? Who had wings? Kunal had wings. Okay. Now look at our question number 2. Dash loved Kunal's stories. And our options are Kira, Lata or Sia. Who loved Kunal's stories? Kira loved Kunal's stories. So we will take on option number A. Now look at our question number 3. Kunal could fly and visit many days. Now look at our options. Option number A is places, B is cities, and C is gardens. So Kunal could fly and visit many places. So correct answer is places. We will take here. Okay. Now student, look at our question number 4. Who always had interesting stories to tell? Who had? Kunal, Kira or Geeta? Oh, Geeta. Who is Geeta? Do you know this name? Yes, your English teacher name is Geeta. Okay, now we will come in our question. Who always had interesting stories to tell? Kunal, Kira or Geeta? Kunal had interesting stories to tell. Why? Because Kunal could fly and visit many places. Okay, so he had many stories to tell about the things he saw. Okay, now look at question number 5. What were his stories about? And options are things he saw, things he ate, or funny stories. According to our scene passage 2, what were his stories about? His stories about things he saw. Now look at our question number 6. Write 2 plurals. Now we will write here 2 plurals, but with the help of scene passage 2. Okay. Look students, our first plural is wings and second one is places, and other plurals are in this scene passage like stories and things. Okay, now we will write any 2 plurals here. Okay, so first one is wings and second one is places, P-L-A-C-E-S, places. Okay, Now student, look at our question number 7. Write opposite of these. And our word is hate and few. And student, according to our scene passage 2, the opposite of hate is love. Love, love. And the opposite of few is many. Many, many. Look student, here this word start with small letter. So here I wrote the answer with small letters. And here this letter started with capital letters. So here I wrote in capital letter. Okay. Now look at our question number 8. Write the past tense of these. And the word is see and love. Now look at our scene passage 2. The past form of see is saw. And the past form of love is love. So we will write this answer here in this given place. The past tense of see is saw. S-A-W, saw. And the love is L-O-V-E-D, love. Okay student? Now student, look at your today's homework. And students, your homework is scene passage 3. Now by this scene passage 3, you will give all the answer of these questions. Okay? Till then, our next video. Goodbye everyone and take care. और स्टूडेंट्स लिसन, इस वीडियो के साथ मैं एक लिंक दूंगी, आपको सेंड करूंगी, आपको उसको भी जरूर देखना है. ओके, बाय सीइंग दैट वीडियो यू कैन able to know that how the caterpillar grow. Okay, and what is the life cycle of a caterpillar. Okay, till then our next video. Goodbye everyone and take care.